Well, how can you argue with being able to put food on a tray, put it in an oven, cook multiple things at one time, and have dinner ready in 30 minutes? It's magic. 20 years ago, when I started working in the appliance industry, teaching people how to use their appliances, it was immediately apparent to me that convection was the tool of choice for cooking quick, simple, healthy meals. Nowadays, sheet pan meals are quite the rage. So after 20 years, it really did catch on. Now, today we're going to cook a chicken dish in the convection oven. We're going to cook the side dishes in the steam oven. If you're looking for a way to bring a little extra flavor and punch to chicken, this is a good recipe. What makes it great? Smoked paprika. I'm a lightweight. I'm using the mild one, but you can certainly use a combination of mild and spicy if you prefer. This dish is cooked with sliced red onion and lemons. I'm using Meyer lemons because they're plentiful right now. And later on in the cooking, we're going to fold in some Castelvetrano olives. Now, the chicken has bone in it and the olives have pits in them because truthfully, both meats and olives will taste better cooked with the bone or the pit. But I know sometimes it's just easier not to, but just saying. So it takes about 30 minutes to cook the chicken, and we're going to use a high temperature of 400 degrees. Now everybody likes their chicken to get a little bit crispy. If you have a convection roast mode in your oven, you should do really well because you'll get heat from the top heating element plus the convection circulating around. Now, if you feel like the chicken didn't get crispy enough, you always have the option to add a little bit of broiled heat at the end for a little bit of additional browning. If you don't have a combi steam oven to cook your rice and your asparagus, don't worry. You can actually cook rice in the convection oven, you just have to cover it. And if you were cooking your asparagus in the steam oven, well, you'd be roasting them as opposed to steaming them. So let's get it going. My oven is hot. And in goes the chicken. Now the rice that I'm using today, totally cheating. It's rice and orzo pilaf from Trader Joe's, and it says to add 2 cups of water. Well, if you've been doing any steaming in your combi steam oven, you've probably worked out that you always need to use a little less water when you're steaming grains in your combi steam oven. So I'm adding 1 3/4 cups instead of 2 cups. Yes, the water is cold, but I know it's going to come to temperature really quickly. Set the timer for 20 minutes, and then we're going to add in the asparagus. And with a bit of luck, everything will be ready to serve at one time. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.